Ever wondered when you would need winter tires and if you could get away with good season tires? Well, you're in the right place to find out. In the course of this video, we'll delve into the intriguing world of tires. We'll dissect the differences between winter and all-season tires, not just in terms of their performance, but also their price, wear, and life expectancy. This isn't just about rubber, you see. It's about safety, about protecting your family on those icy winter drives. It's about investment, understanding where your money goes when you purchase a set of tires and how long you can expect that investment to last. But we're not just going to tell you why you should buy winter tires. We'll also explore why sometimes it might be better not to. So buckle up and get ready for a journey into the world of tires. Stay tuned to find out more about the world of tires and how to make the best choice for your vehicle. Winter tires, as the name suggests, are designed specifically for winter conditions. Now, you might be thinking, what exactly does this mean? Well, let's delve into this. Winter tires are made with a special type of rubber compound that remains flexible even in very cold temperatures. This flexibility allows them to grip the road better, providing optimal traction and control. This is crucial when you're driving on icy or snowy roads, where maintaining control of your vehicle is essential for safety. So, how are these tires different from regular ones? The key difference lies in the tread design. Winter tires have deeper treads and a unique pattern that helps them channel snow, slush, and water away from the tire's surface. This enhances grip and stability, reducing the risk of skidding or sliding on slippery roads. Now, onto the wear and life expectancy of these tires. Winter tires are designed to be used in colder months, so they tend to wear down faster if used in warmer temperatures. Therefore, it's advisable to switch them out with your regular tires as soon as the winter season ends. That being said, if you care for them properly, winter tires can last for several winter seasons. This involves storing them correctly when not in use, maintaining the right tire pressure, and regularly checking them for signs of damage or uneven wear. Now, you might be wondering, are these tires necessary if I don't live in a place with heavy snowfall? The answer is it depends. Winter tires are not just about snow. They're about temperature. Even if there's no snow, but the temperature drops below 7 degrees Celsius consistently, the flexibility and grip offered by winter tires can still be beneficial. In contrast, if you live in a place with mild winters, where temperatures rarely drop below 7 degrees, all-season tires might be a more cost-effective option. However, if safety is your primary concern, especially if you have a family to protect, investing in winter tires could be a wise decision. Do remember, winter tires are not just about snow, but also about temperature. All-season tires, on the other hand, are designed to be a hybrid of summer and winter tires. These tires are created with a unique compound and tread design to handle a variety of road conditions. They are the jack-of-all-trades of the tire world, built to provide a comfortable ride, good tread life, and all-weather traction. All-season tires are made with a combination of rubber compounds that remain flexible in both hot and cold temperatures. This flexibility allows them to maintain grip on the road, whether it's a scorching summer day or a frosty winter morning. Their tread patterns are also designed to evacuate water and resist hydroplaning, providing safety during rainy conditions. But what about snow and ice, you might wonder? Well, all-season tires feature biting edges for traction on light snow. However, they may not perform as well as winter tires in severe snowy or icy conditions. While winter tires are designed with a focus on cold weather grip, all-season tires have to balance grip with other factors like tread life and fuel efficiency. And speaking of tread life, let's talk about the wear and life expectancy of all-season tires. Because these tires are designed to handle a variety of conditions, they tend to have a longer tread life compared to winter tires. This is largely due to their harder rubber compound, which is less susceptible to wear and tear. However, just like any tire, the life expectancy of all-season tires can vary greatly, depending on several factors. These include driving habits, road conditions, and how well you maintain your tires. Regular tire rotations, maintaining proper tire pressure, and avoiding aggressive driving can all help to extend the life of your all-season tires. So, if you live in a location with mild winters and don't often drive in severe weather conditions, all-season tires can be a cost-effective and practical choice. However, if you frequently encounter heavy snowfall or icy roads, you might want to consider investing in a set of winter tyres for those colder months. All-season tyres can be a good compromise, but remember, they are not specialists in any condition. Now that we've grasped the basics, let's further examine the common cost disparities between the two types of tyres. In terms of pricing, winter tyres usually carry a steeper price tag than all-season tyres. This price hike is due to the distinct design and the materials used in the manufacture. Winter tyres are crafted from a unique kind of rubber that retains its flexibility even in freezing temperatures, whereas all-season tyres are developed from a more robust rubber capable of enduring a wider temperature spectrum. The process of producing this specialized rubber for winter tyres is usually more expensive, accounting for the greater cost. Moreover, the complex tread patterns on winter tyres, specifically designed to provide exceptional traction on surfaces blanketed with snow and ice, add to their manufacturing cost. On the contrary, the treads of all-season tyres are simpler and more cost-effective to produce. However, it's vital to consider the long-term costs as well. Despite the initial cost of winter tyres being higher, it's crucial to remember that they aren't used throughout the year. As a result, your all-season tyres may face less wear and tear, potentially prolonging their longevity and saving you from premature replacement expenses. Other than the tyre cost, considerations around safety and peace of mind are equally important. Winter tyres are specifically designed to deliver superior control and decreased stopping distances on icy roads, ensuring safety in severe weather conditions. Even though they are generally pricier, they may save you from costly accident repairs or even medical expenses in the event of an accident. However, if you live in a region with gentle winters, investing in winter tyres might not be the most practical use of your money. All-season tyres could effectively cater to your needs without the added burden of buying and storing an extra set of tyres. In conclusion, the cost of tyres isn't just about the initial price, it's about striking the right balance between upfront costs, long-term savings, safety measures, and how it aligns with your lifestyle. Indeed, winter tyres might initially cost more, but they can shield you from potential damage expenses in the future. So when would you need winter tyres, and can you get away with good season tyres? Well, let's recap on what we've discovered. Winter tyres, with their special rubber compounds and intricate tread patterns, are specifically designed to perform exceptionally well in cold, snowy and icy conditions. They can provide you with that extra grip and control that is so crucial when navigating through winter's worst. On the other hand, all-season tyres are like the jack-of-all-trades of the tyre world. They are designed to be adequate in all weather conditions, be it the sun-drenched roads of summer or the frosty paths of winter. However, the key word here is adequate. They may not be the best performers in extreme conditions. Now, let's talk about the cost. Winter tyres might put a slightly larger dent in your wallet initially, but remember, while they're on, your all-season or summer tyres are off, saving wear and tear. And when it comes to the longevity of winter tyres, it's a bit of a mixed bag. The lifespan of your winter tyres can greatly depend on various factors such as driving habits, road conditions, and how well you maintain them. So, to the million-dollar question, when would you need winter tyres and can you get away with good season tyres? The answer is, it depends. If you live in an area where winters are severe and unforgiving, then investing in a set of winter tyres could be a wise decision. Not just for your car, but for the safety of you and your family. However, if you live in a region where winters are mild and heavy snowfall is as rare as a blue moon, then good quality all-season tyres might just do the trick. But remember, no tyre can help if you don't drive sensibly according to the road and weather conditions. Whether you choose winter tyres or all-season tyres, the most important thing is to ensure your safety on the road. After all, a car is only as good as its tyres, and a tyre is only as good as the driver behind the wheel. Thanks for joining us today in this journey through tyres. We've braved the cold with winter tyres and navigated the seasons with all-season tyres. We've touched on reasons for price differences, talked about wear and life expectancy, and most importantly, we've discussed safety. We hope this video has shed some light on the great winter versus all-season tyre debate, helping you make an informed decision for your car. It's not just about the vehicle you drive, but also about the precious cargo it carries, your family, your friends, your loved ones. Don't forget to hit that like button if you found this information useful and share it with others who might benefit. And we'd love to hear from you. Have you had an experience with winter or all-season tyres you'd like to share? Drop a comment below. And of course, if you haven't already, do subscribe for more insightful videos. Remember, your safety comes first. Choose wisely and drive safely.